What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Spang's World. We got some front end stuff going in today. Got the Synergy chromoly tie rods for the Jeep JK and their drag link bar. Just kind of went and bought both of them at the same time here. Really just needed the tie rod stuff. As you can see, what happened down here, we already put the new Fox steering stabilizer in. See the bracket broke right here. Put it together, welded it back together and stuff, and then put the Fox stabilizer on when it came in. But this here, I don't think this is supposed to move that much. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. We're gonna go ahead and replace that. Hopefully we'll fix the problems and stuff in the front end. But let's jump into it. We also got some other stuff for the stabilizer, new bracket, mount for the tube side of it for the 1.5 inch. We go ahead and pull the passenger tire like the directions want you to. We gotta drill this out here. We have to drill this out for the drag link. If it's not already for this kit that's in here. I think this is the Rubicon Express still in here. It is the suspension kit, so I'm assuming everything's Rubicon Express still. We did get this Jeep used, but and now we're going to remove the old drag link bar here. Yours might look different than this one. I believe this is the Rubicon Express. If you're still doing a stock one, I believe they go on the bottom. It's reverse. This is flipped, so just have to undo these bolts on this side and on the opposite side. Alright, we got everything off now. We're going to start with the relocation bracket. We're going to start with the relocation bracket on the stabilizer. Go from there. Alright, here's the stabilizer brackets. Synergies, and I think this might be their stock one. Could possibly be the one, Rubicon Express one. Comes with their kit since everything else is Rubicon Express. But this is where it cracked before. Welded that up just to kind of temporarily fix stuff. But here's the new bracket. Looks like 1/4 inch steel and stuff. Alright, I got the pitman arms here laid out. I got the old one here. You can see here I marked it, measured and measured. Get it on here. You don't want it any more than 3 1/4 out. And that's what it's recommended, not to be past 3 1/4. We're right about 3 1/8. So we got about another 1/8 inch we could go. What is recommended, I already tightened up this bolt here. Have everything ready to go for install. Alright guys, it's time to install our tie rods now. I measured this out from center to center to get the same 58.5 what I had on the old one. Just got to install it, then we can finish installing our stabilizer bar. Put our bolts in here, both sides and stuff, tighten it up, and then put it on the Jeep. Alright, we got everything installed here now. All our bolts up and everything. All we got is last thing is our mount here for the stabilizer. We'll throw that on. What I like to do is go all the way to the driver's side with it, and that way you know it's topped out at least there when it's pushed out. So let's get that mounted up. Are you all the way? All the way? All right, go that way. Other way. All right, now back. Other way. Give it some muscle, Joel. We got a 4-year-old, we got a 5-year-old in there helping out. All right, go the other way. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Pretty simple install. Probably took about 5-6 hours or so. I was kind of doing some other stuff over the weekend while doing it. Pretty basic setup and stuff. Jack stands. The only thing I had to use was that little ball joint. I don't know what it's called. Pops it out or whatever. Helps that. That's the only specialty tool I think I've really had to have. But other than that, fairly easy. Now we just got to go drive this thing and see how it does. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Leave comments down below if you got any questions or anything about it, or longevity, if let's say you're watching this a year or so down the road. Or if you think I missed something. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.